Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the text you need to fix, selecting a paragraph or control plus a speeds diagnosis. Once selected, open the paragraph dialog from the Home tab or right-click and choose Paragraph so you can change spacing precisely. Make sure to toggle Show /Hide to reveal tabs, spaces, and manual line breaks so you can see why words are separated. This quick visibility step prevents guessing. You now have both the selection and the tools ready to modify spacing values and alignment settings. Now change the measurable spacing. Set before and after to 0 pt and choose a consistent line spacing such as single or 1. 15. If you need exact control, use exactly with a point size. Next, open Font Advanced to ensure character spacing is normal and tracking is 0. Altered tracking can widen words. Use Replace Ctrl+H to swap double spaces for single spaces and to replace tabs with single spaces if needed. Finally, verify alignment and hyphenation so justification doesn't create odd gaps. Finish by normalizing formatting. Apply clear formatting or a consistent paragraph style to remove stray local settings that cause uneven spacing. If long words force gaps, enable automatic hyphenation or change justification options to distribute space more evenly. This reduces rivers of white. If problems persist, copy the text into Notepad to strip hidden formatting and paste back, then reapply your style. This often fixes stubborn spacing. If you get unexpected results, check for manual tabs, non-breaking spaces, or hidden fields as the single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.